wanna do this. Please help me. But I've never seen like that kind of porn. But you know who did this. You know who told me. They didn't tell me. I just wanted to do it because I'm cringe. Okay, don't do that. Don't do that fucking face. Start this. Oh, I need to put it loud. No, not loud. Fuck. Not loud. Okay. Here we go. I hope I don't die of cringe. What the fuck are you doing? Fucking Japanese lady. Okay, here we go. What the fuck are those yoga pants at hers? Did she borrow them from her mom doing yoga in the other room? Probably doing Zumba? It's just a theory. You're already like fucking like 20 years old. Why the fuck are you doing this? I am triggered. Next one, please. No. What the fuck is this? I gotta learn how to do these techniques. Oh no, not her. She's gonna be cringe. No. You can shut the fuck up. You fucking cancer. You Caillou. The fuck? That rhymed. That was a better version. What the fuck is that here? He looks like a homeless woman. Yes, man. Lil Uzi, that's his name. I don't want him. What the fuck? This is not. Fuck. Fuck you. Any other videos of? These are the people that showed kids how to do the whooping and Nene. Fuck them. I hope you die of cancer. He looks like Keemstar. But he just couldn't make it a drama alert. She's ready for those high scores in the math test. She's ready. Her fucking glasses, her pants going all the way to her hips. Shirt tucked into her pants. She's ready. She's ready to go to the gym and fucking lose weight. What fucking lighting is this? At least you can see me. No. You're not even lip syncing, you fucking idiot. Fuck up. You fucking. You go fuck off, you little cunt. What the fuck? He's not even wearing his shirt. Nope. You go what the fuck? She doesn't even look real. She looks like a puppet. She looks like Slappy's girlfriend, but the ratchet Slappy, the one from the hood. Pranked in the Hood gone wrong. I don't know if that's a 2-year-old or that's Keemstar. You go fuck off. Well, she's not doing what I think she did. Not like twerking in the fucking video. That's not a. You go fuck off, you little cunt. You go fuck off, fucking idiot. You go fuck off. I think we should do one more. One more.